Today I have another big USA haul. Actually, this is a cumulative haul. The biggest part of the haul is BoxyCharm PopUp purchases. I also have a small order from Beautylish, something from Amazon, and few PR items. I do anticipate this it will be a long haul, so you better grab a cup of coffee or a tea depending what you are serving at this time of the day. I think I'm going to start with the smaller orders and then I'm going to show you the BoxyCharm pop-up. So first of all, this is a product I should have shown you in my previous USA haul, and I'm going to link that video. Please go ahead and check that out because I have a lot of USA goodies to share with you. So this I bought it probably in March, April or so. This is from Amazon. This is the only product that I bought from Amazon.com, and this by the brand VieBeauti, it's written VieBeauti, an eyelash growth serum. And I do recall seeing someone here on YouTube mentioning about how good is this eyelash serum, and even though at that time I was using already and I'm still using my Revitalash, I find that after a while the Revitalash is stopped working for me. I don't get any more enhancing results, so I said I'm going to try this. So the lady that I heard mentioning this eyelash serum for the first time, it is Kimberly from the channel Pretty Over 50. So I have more than a couple of eyelash growth serums that I need to try, but probably this it will be my next pick because the Revitalash that I have, it's almost gone. And guys, the Revitalash I'm using for almost 6 months and it lasted me so long. So it is a good investment. If you see results, go for it. I even kept the box because I like it, and I only have few products. I think they were having a sale. Oh, it's a box on the box, so inside there is another box. Okay, I have some samples. I'm going to show them later. So the main reason that I placed an order on Beautylish, it was because at that time, I think it was around June or July when I did this, there was a sale on GOSS lip products. So I bought 2 of his lipsticks. So this is the outer packaging, really nice, and I love the packaging. I've already used them in one of my videos, one of the shade. This is the shade Magnolia. I think this is the most famous shade. Quite similar with what I'm wearing today, but not the same. So today I have the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade In Love with Olivia. They are similar. This looks gorgeous on my lips. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, so similar but a bit different. And the second one that I got, you see I keep everything in packages. I haven't worn this. Yeah, this is more rich. I cannot wait to start wearing them. And together with the lipsticks, I also got a lip liner by GOSS, the Essential Lip Pencil. Really simple packaging. I just swatch it here. And the last purchase from Beautylish, I appreciate the fact that it's secured, is by BECCA. I have been wanting from so long to try. I'm not a very big highlighter person, but I wanted to have them, so I got a mini of her Moonstone, which it's gorgeous and it's appropriate for my skin tone. I do work with Octoly, so I get to choose some products from their platform. First is this RMS Beauty Mascara, that is really nice, gorgeous packaging. So it has peptides that it will help enhancing and promotes growth of your lashes, and it's also a vegan and cruelty-free product. I do really like RMS Beauty, so I'm really thankful that I was being sent this product. I also received complimentary from Isle of Paradise the self-tanning drops. Now they were out of their light, so I choose the medium, but I want to tell you guys that I think I did a better choice because medium is perfect for my skin tone. I don't need to add too much. I only add 1 or 2 drops to my moisturizer. I even use it for my body and for my legs. Some of you were complimenting my bronze. It is not the bronze, it is the self-tanning drops, because I was not spending too much time outside in the sun. Yeah, this excited me, and this is the second product that I got from Dr. Dennis Gross, and now I remember that I need to pull the first product. So this is a set that contains their Visibly Lift and Smooth Retinol for Eyes Triple Correction Eye Serum. This is infused with phytoretinol blend with bakuchiol and rambutan, and also has retinol, but the main ingredient is bakuchiol. Sorry if I butchered it. And this is the actual product. It's coming with a pump. I love Dr. Dennis Gross products, so those were sent by Dr. Dennis Gross, complimentary to me. And the, let me take it out from the packaging, the Advanced Retinol and Ferulic Acid Texture Renewal Serum. Also, it is infused with phytoretinol blend technology that is containing bakuch oil and rambutan. Sorry if I butchered some of those names. And this is in a dropper. And I was so happy that I got this lovely bag. It's really good for travel. And here has the embossed Dr. Dennis Gross name to it. And I have another product that I need to show you. Previous month I did receive their exfoliating body treatment. So those are wipes that you use on your skin, on your body, if you have ingrowth hair or you have texture. And as of now I only used one because I do not want to wipe off my fake tan. I used one before going to vacation, and I really loved the overall feeling that it was giving to my skin. And the last product that it was sent to me, also complimentary from Gillian Dempsey. This is their lid tint in the shade bronze, which is lovely, and I love the packaging. Is that type of a look, one shadow look, if you want to do so. So if you are on the go and you only want a shadow to give a tint to your lid, this is perfect. So I'm really thankful for all those goodies. I think I have here 2 orders. I was a bit bumped up that I did not get the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, so I ordered it in pop-up. I haven't used it yet. I was skipping it to show you for haul, so that's the reason I'm filming this haul, because I have a lot of products that I was not using so much due to keeping them in boxes waiting for them to film. Then what I bought from Isaac Mizrahi anti-breakage satin slip scrunchies. Okay, there are 4 actually. This is fuchsia, one is purple, and 2 are mixed of those colors. I love those scrunchies, and even now my hair is short. I can wait until it will grow to start using those. I think they can be also used on my short hair. What else? I have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I'm not going to open it because I'm using the retinol that I got from Dr. Dennis Gross. I managed to destroy my nails. So this is how it looks like. I think this is quite a new product. Maybe it was launched in 2021 or end of 2020. Okay, it's good that it's sealed. And it looks like guacamole. It has the same consistency. This is by Lila B. I was excited to see there are some luxury brands on their pop-up, and I do remember in August I've seen something from Chantecaille. I think it was a mascara. I did not grab it because first I think it was retailing around $12 or $18, and second, I have a lot of mascara to go through. I do remember I have paid for it like $18. Oh, the packaging is lovely and it's quite small, but it's heavy. So this is ceramic, I think. I wanted to open it first, so I was struggling with this packaging for 10 minutes until I figured out how to open it. So first, look at this. It's like a little small, little stone, and actually you have to slide it. So cute. And those are the shadows. I'm going to insert a swatch. I think they are nice to create a look. And here you don't have a mirror. And I do remember they were having another quad with blues and grays, but I wanted to try this one first. So stay tuned for a upcoming try on. I have another lash enhancing serum by Beautylish. So this is essential serum and contains 2 ml. Okay, so it's not that big and is made in the US. So another lash serum that I need to try and compare. So I will probably do a video maybe next year because I need some time to try all those lash serums and see which one I think is best. From Gerard Cosmetics, I bought a lip liner. I love their formula, and I do not have this shade. This is in the shade Luna. It's matching those liners, those lipsticks, and it's quite similar with the one from Wayne GOSS. So this is the Gerard Cosmetics. I'm absolutely addicted. You know me. I think if you watch me from the beginning, you know that my all-time favorite lip liner is the Bel Air from Gerard Cosmetics. Oh yeah, from Honest Beauty, I got another lip crayon, Demi Matte, in the shade Strawberry. I'm not going to swatch it right now, not because I'm not going to keep it, but I have a lot of shades on my hand, so it will be a big mess. Maybe I will insert a close-up. I think it's a better idea to show you just the plain color without other things surrounded. I have a Natasha Denona lipstick. I even forgot about them. That bad I am. Okay, this is a bit nude, to be honest. What else? Yeah, another lippy product, Nude Sticks. I do remember how much I wanted to get some of their products, and they all are coming in this box, which is good for travel. So in the box you have a mirror, so the lid is actually a mirror, and the products are here. This is a sharpener, and this is the shade Rebel. Okay, it's more pink than I was anticipating, but I'm excited to finally have a lip product from Nude Sticks, even though I think I have a gloss from them, but I don't like so much the shade. The next to the last product is this Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush Palette, which I was excited for, but I open it and I think I'm not going to keep it. Let me first show the packaging. It's amazing. It's very, very pretty. And you open it like this. I wanted from so long to have some cheek products from Tarte, but they are all shimmery. Even the bronzer and the blushes have sheen to them. So I rather prefer my cheek products to be matte. So I don't know. I already have those shades. What do you think, guys? Do you think I should keep this or I should give it to someone else who has less makeup than me? But the price, it was really good. I think I have paid for this maybe $12, if I'm not wrong. The last product that I got, I remember that I was going nuts with lip products, is by the brand Ilia. Nice packaging. And Ilia, it's a clean brand. Ooh, love the shade. It smells slightly as a vanilla, something sweet. Okay. Yeah, really comparable with the other shades. I swatched it here, but I think I'm going to do a close-up. And that concludes my big, huge, humongous, ginormous USA haul. I will have another BoxyCharm haul because, as I told you, I was going nuts on August. Before we are ending up, I want to let you know what I'm wearing on my eyes today because I think I'm going to get some questions. So I have used the Norvina Volume Free eyeshadow palette that I got in my premium BoxyCharm for the month of July, and I was playing around with some golden green shades. Okay guys, so I don't want to make this video any long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up. I want to wish you all a fantastic day, and please let me know down below in the comment section if you want me to do a particular review for any of the products that I've showed you. I will gladly do that. But other than that, I want to wish you all to have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you again really, really soon. Bye guys! Mwah.